There is a word in Japanese that has no translation, a word that holds the beauty of things that fade, crack, and age. Wabi-Sabi, wabi, the quiet beauty of simplicity, the beauty of a single candle in an empty room, the beauty of silence after rain. Sabi, the grace that comes with the passage of time, the beauty of what remains after everything else is gone. Together, they form a way of seeing the world, not despite its imperfections, but because of them. A cracked tea bowl repaired with gold. A garden where leaves are left to fall. A wooden gate, weathered by 100 winters. In Japan, these are not signs of neglect. They are signs of a life fully lived. The Japanese do not hide the cracks. They illuminate them. We live in a world obsessed with the new, with the perfect, with the permanent. We replace, we upgrade, we erase. But Wabi-Sabi asks a different question. What if the most beautiful thing is something that will not last forever? What if beauty is not despite the flaw, it's but within it? Think of the moss growing on an ancient stone. It did not appear overnight. It grew slowly, quietly, over decades. And yet, it is precisely that slowness that makes it beautiful, or the face of someone who has lived deeply. The lines, the weathering, the wear, each mark a story, each story a life. In the West, we often say, good as new, but in Japan, they might say, good as old. Wabi-Sabi, the art of finding beauty in impermanence. In the cracks, the light shines through. The next word is waiting.